Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it was a good trading day for you. Interesting one with the Fed. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education and nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so if we jump right in, let's go over and look at the daily charts. And I want to start off with our candidates from our trading day. So let's see, we've got three of them out there today, and we just do alphabetical order. Here we go. First one is up already. It's NVIDIA. So on NVIDIA, we took a bearish entry on NVIDIA stock. So if we look at the intraday chart, 5 minute, we pushed down, we retested, closed and failed, and there's our entry. Yeah, we had a little pop above. We were still in the trade. We got out about 1:45, give or take. I just wanted out of the trade at that point. After that climb back up and that fell, I was very happy to still be on the profit side for it. Not a whole lot. We made a little bit on NVIDIA. And then we had QQQ. Right? QQQ. We got a bullish trade on the Qs today. So let's go look at that on a 5-minute chart. So you can see that we failed. You know, we popped up, we failed right here, came back to support. Did we come up at least $1 on this? 473. We would have come to at least 474, which is where we got in. We got at 474.5. Yes, we failed. We were fine there, came back. Great move. We don't exit these trades until the end of day, so this way everybody can get the same results. And then right at the end of the day, we failed down below. We got out at 113.75. Sorry, I'm reading the wrong one. We got at 472.5, and I'll show them both to you in a minute. 472.5, which was $108 hit on Qs. 108. And then we had W Day. So on W Day was only a bullish potential. We did not get that happen at all today, so no trade taken on W Day. So if we look, here's our numbers. Right, so on NVIDIA we're up $90. On QQQ we're down 108. So basically we're down $18 for the day. W Day was not taken, no trade taken there on W Day. We have 29 winners, 9 that went against us, 2 that will break even. Average trade $215.87 per trade, one contract, one trade. $8,634.84 is the total P&L since the end of June. Right. So with that, let's go ahead and look at what the S&P is doing first, and then we'll talk about what our stocks, our potential candidates for tomorrow are. So we stretch up, all-time high. Yes, we did it again, right? Very light volume day early on. Why? The Fed announcement. Half-point drop, right? Don't know if it's going to reflect back to mortgages or not. We're uncertain on that just yet. But right now, we're in a bullish bias with a rank of 3. Nowhere near moving averages. I'd like to see us break that 56, 51, 62 level on the close. Retest bounce. We're not there yet. We're not there. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Is an overreaction, underreaction. We'll play it by ear tomorrow. But with that, we've got 3 candidates for today. Adobe is the very first one. Let's see. So I love the pattern on Adobe. We've got potential move to the upside, potential move to the downside. Downside is my preference because that is the pattern we are following right now. So let's talk about that. Pull back up towards that 511 and fail. We're looking at 500 is going to be our support. Yes, you do have more support down here, but we're going to worry about the 500 because it's our first support in there. The trade will be taken right after we fail. Right? Stop just on the other side of the 510.74. 510 up to 534 is 23 points. We don't need a fib in there, so we're good. So on the upside, a lot of opportunity on the upside. Give me move up, retest, and bounce. We're looking at resistance of 534.5. Well, I didn't give you a target for the other one. I'll do that now. So let's do this first since we're here. Let's go with a target of about 532, maybe 531. A lot of room on this one, so I'd be okay with 530 even as a target. On the downside, we're looking at a target at probably 501, 502. Right? So we do not have as much room to the downside as we do to the upside. All right? Perfect. Love that one. That's Adobe. Costco, we've had them on our list before. They turned into a $792 win last week on the 12th. So let's look at the full chart again for those who don't remember it. All right. We are right now in a bearish neutral bias. I really only like this one to the upside. I don't like it to the downside at all. So we're going to watch for a break, and this is what we need to see happen. It's got to come back up above that 900, retest the 900 and bounce. If it does, 914.47 is the resistance. Target, probably right about 912 on the target. Right, we're going to enter above that 900 level, that dotted line. Right, and our stop will be just down below that 897.56 level. So that's number 2. Number 3 is UNH, United Healthcare. So we close nicely here, right at that 581.5. I don't like the upside. There's obstacles in our way, so we're only going to look at the bearish entry on this. So we're going to grab a red pen. I need to move down first. Small move back up for a retest and a fail. If and only if it does this, we're looking at, you're taking an entry 580 or so. Stop is just on the other side of the 581.5. Support is at 570. We're looking at a target of probably 572, 573, somewhere around there. Right? 572, 73. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. Caution the rest of this week. After the Fed, there's going to be a lot of opinions thrown around, which could sway the market a little bit one direction or the other. Have a great one, and I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now.